time to Verge. Welcome to an unboxing. So normally I would use my cellular device. No, we got ourselves a nice little webcam that we're going to use for our unboxing videos. And to test to see how well this works out, we're going to be opening the Elgato Stream Deck. GameStop actually had this in stock. I thought I'd be ordering it online, waiting 2 to 3 weeks, and going through all the dance and jumping through hoops to get this, but they had it in stock. So let's open her up. We're going to need a handy dandy box knife. Let's see what's inside. I want to know what's inside. So the reason why I got this is I've been doing a lot of live streams, and I've been finding it hard to go between tabs, muting and unmuting. And a lot of people said that this thing is worth the money. This is going to make your streaming life a lot easier. Ooh, look what we have here. Oh, I like how that feels. That feels really good. And ooh, I like how that feels. Okay. So we have a quick start guide. Let's look at the quick start guide. Wow. Can you see that font? Like, okay, well, we got pictures. Pictures are good. Okay. That'll come handy later. So we'll pull up the device. Nice, it is USB powered. Can set it up like so, I think. Into different. Oh, shit, we could take it out the stand altogether. Okay, well, here's the stand. And here's the device itself. I like that. I like how it doesn't have to be in the stand. You can, make a little mount box for it. And nice. You know what? I probably would mount it. Let's see if we can't get this. There we go, right there. Let's see. Okay, so I think that's how it goes. I'm not sure. Probably should read the instructions, and I'm doing this off camera. Sorry. Okay, so that's the stand bit, I think. I got to look at the instructions more. Looks like we also have some more paperwork. This is just probably like all your disclaimer book. Let's see, is there anything in here? Nope. It doesn't feel like there's nothing inside. So, here we go. There we go. The Elgato Stream Deck. I look forward to using this. We'll probably do some recordings, just going through the setup and what have you. Alright, so hey, thanks for checking it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, hit that bell for notifications. When I upload, you'll know. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, see ya!